Today we're diving into the features of the Graco SnugRide SnugLock infant car seat base, a game changer for parents on the go. This innovative car seat base boasts SnugLock technology, allowing you to install it in less than 1 minute using either the vehicle seatbelt or latch system, making it compatible with all Graco Click Connect infant car seats. With a convenient compartment for storing both the latch connectors and manual, this base ensures everything you need is always within reach. The easy-to-read level indicator takes the guesswork out of installation, providing peace of mind that your little one is secure. Plus, the adjustable base with 4 recline positions lets you customize the fit to your vehicle, ensuring maximum comfort and safety for your child. Remember to check your local and state laws, as well as AAP and NHTSA recommendations, for car seat usage to keep your child safe on every journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.